Hi guys, welcome back to my channel at Bizyjoe.com. So today I'll be getting you through on how to create a YouTube thumbnail, how to create a catchy thumbnail that will attract your YouTube viewers to click on your YouTube video and increase a click-through rate. But before that, if today is your first time of visiting my channel, please do wait to subscribe to my channel, share our videos with your friends and family. So on Bizyjoe Technology, we offer some great services ranging from web design, app design, SMM, graphic design, and a whole lot of them. And on our YouTube channel, we have some great videos that you can watch and play along. So let me go over to the tool that I'll be using to create this particular thumbnail. So there are so many tools out there that you can actually use to create a thumbnail, ranging from Canva, so many web design to Photoshop, Illustrator, and all that. I previously I normally used Canva to design my thumbnail, but due to the watermark and all that, they have so many stock images that are not free. So I find this particular tool called postermywall.com. This is a very great website that I've been using to carry out some of my graphic design work. So you can actually even use it to create YouTube thumbnail that are very cool. And this, all those stock images that you find on Canva that you paid for, that if you don't pay, they're going to add a watermark. Here, you are going to get them for free. Even the watermark you see here, you can even get rid of it. Here you get, but I don't advise that. If you have the money, you pay for the the software. Let's go to the pricing first and see how. Let's go to pricing for individual and see how much it costs to actually get this particular tool. So they have free. They have a free plan. So 1.2 million plus design template. This is what you are going to get as on a free design platform. So and for high res video downloads for 14.95 USD. So this their premium package. This is 9.95 USD per month, which is very cheap. This is very cheap. So these are what you're going to get on this particular 9 point, let's say $10 per month. So these are the features you're going to get. So these are for premium plus 29.95 USD per month. So this is what you're going to get. So let's switch it over to year. So for year, you can pay for a year subscription for 99.95. That's $100 per year for premium and 1319.95 for premium plus. So let's just go to templates. Let's go to templates. So I will show you how I design my catch thumbnail. So what I will need to do is to just come here and search for. I want to design thumbnail. I will just search YouTube thumbnail. So once as you can see, I already see YouTube thumbnail here. So you click on YouTube thumbnail, it will load and bring out some relevant YouTube thumbnails for you. So it's still loading my network. So as you can see, these are the list of YouTube thumbnails. These are catch thumbnails. All these thumbnails now you can still see them on Canva, but the images they use there, they are stock images, so you cannot use those particular images on your design without paying for premium package. But here you're going to see them for free. So these are some examples. These are thumbnail templates. So depending on your video, depending on the kind of video you are producing, they have a catch thumbnail for you here. So what you need to do is just to go down, find any video, any thumbnail that is relevant to your particular video you are making. So after going, so you choose any of these thumbnails. So these thumbnails are very good, they are great. So let's say that I want to use this particular thumbnail. So I'll just click on this particular thumbnail. So it comes up. This is the size 1280 by 720. So I'll just click on edit. I'll click on edit thumbnail. So it's loading the editor for me. So when designing your thumbnails, there are things that you bear in mind, depending on the kind of thumbnail you're creating, the video or your niche. You understand? So because you know that thumbnail is like a gateway to your video, so you need to create a high catch thumbnail so that when people see it, they will not bypass your video. So first thing you need to bear in mind first thing you need to bear in mind, you go to YouTube. Let's say you go to YouTube. Let's say we search. Let's go and search something on YouTube. Because when creating your thumbnail, you need to create your thumbnail to look sharp and make it to look different from other thumbnail on that are displayed on similar or the same search results. So let's go to click on YouTube thumbnail. So let's YouTube thumbnail. So let's click on this particular search. Okay, YouTube thumbnail tutorial. So these are list of thumbnails. So as you can see, these are thumbnails that you can these are thumbnails here. So as you can see, these thumbnails are looking that good, right? And as you can see, the color background of this particular first one is different. So and it's different from the third one and it's different. So as you can see, there is discrepancy from each of these particular people's thumbnail. So that you don't go and create a thumbnail that looks the same. So that the two thumbnail will not be contracting. Maybe you are ranking together with somebody else and the thumbnails look almost the same thing. So this and one thing that you need to be in mind on this particular thumbnail is that they put the end results, what you're going to get at the end of this of the video. So you also need to inculcate that because when you show people the end results they are going to get when they are watching your video, it makes that thumbnail to actually get more clicks because you are telling people that see this is what you are going to get at the end of this video. Or if you are creating a type of thumbnail that you want to tell people to stop doing this particular thing, there is a better way of doing that, then you put the previous version of that particular thing that they're going to the previous version and put a bad on red. Then the new version, what they are going to get after watching this video, you also included the put good there. These are some thumbnail tips that you need to have. Then another thing you can actually use, another tool, I use ChatGPT a lot. I use ChatGPT a lot. So what I normally do, how I inculcate ChatGPT on my thumbnail creation is that so since the since the advance of this ChatGPT, I've been using it a lot for all my works. So let's say I'm producing a YouTube video. So I'll ask ChatGPT. I need a YouTube thumbnail. A YouTube thumbnail. Okay. Yeah. Title. You don't put the title of your video there. You don't put the title how to create a thumbnail. Okay. This is our title. So I'll just also include I need I need thumbnail that will increase my video CTR. You understand? So I'll just something like that. I'll put something like that. So it will give me tips what to add on my thumbnail. Keep the relevant content color. Okay. And high quality images. Focus on okay. So as you can see, it gives me like a sort of guideline. It's like a sort of guideline on what to include on this particular thumbnail that will make it that will increase the CTR. But this thing that you give me now is not even in line with what I'm looking for. So but this is like example of what I normally do because if I want to create a video, I start from the beginning. So I was just giving the title. I need a title. I need a title. a title for my YouTube video with target keyword. This my target keyword is this YouTube thumbnail, YouTube, something like this. So it will now generate a title for me. Once it will generate, and it's better to okay. Mastering YouTube thumbnail, the ultimate guide to creating eye-catching click. Wow, as you can see, this title is very good. It's like it will convert, but it's better to to give you a list of titles, a list of titles, so that you can select. You understand? So that you can select. So after giving you this particular listing, what you're actually doing is that you know that this is a program actually. So you are trying to let it learn what you actually want. You understand? Make it familiarize with what you are trying to do. That you want to create a video. Then after that, after creating the title, you can just ask me your description. But this, by the way, this is not included in the video. Then you ask him. So we are getting YouTube thumbnail idea from ChatGPT. So after getting that, then you come back here. So this woman face is wow, it's like wow, like the expression of the face is okay. Another thing that we can actually do here is that we can find a person that is holding phone. You understand? You know, a woman that like wow, see something or holding a laptop, so that you can get uh, the the after, like the thumbnail we are actually created, the end result we can put it on that particular screen of that particular phone and all that. So you can create YouTube. Okay, let's YouTube. Okay, let me put it there. Let me put it as a second YouTube thumbnail. Wow. Okay, so it's on the. Okay, let me remove this particular one. So let me move it up front. So let me bring this down. YouTube thumbnail tutorial. So let me bring it. Let me add this. So let me move it back. If you want to move it back, so okay, so let me change the color of this particular text to white so that it can be visible. So the color should be white. So let me reduce this. YouTube thumbnail tutorial. Okay. Okay, something like this. So let's also leave this like this. So it's just to waste all your and you can add a picture, like let's say you add a picture of already designed YouTube thumbnail. So let's go back and find a picture. So let's assume that this is already designed. Okay, let's use something like this, that this is our thumbnail that I've already designed before, the one we get on Google on or all that. So we can add that. You can add that below this. Yeah, you can add it here. So what you can do is that you can put it on a you can put make some emphasis so that people can be that's the first thing that they see. You can make some emphasis on the there. So by like putting it on a square container. So let's say okay. So let me just make it like this. So let me put this red. Let me put it red. Okay, so then I'll move it back. Let me move it up small. So make everything to be perfect. Make everything to be perfect. So then you can even then this arrow sign. Let's change the location of this arrow sign. Let's move it like this. So let it be pointing here. So we can even make another copy of this particular arrow sign. So let's also put it here. Okay. So we find another one so that it will not be like this. But as you can see, this like the thumbnail I already designed, YouTube thumbnail tutorial, something like that. Make it very simple and catchy. So once you are done designing your thumbnail like this, you just click on download. Once you click on download, they're giving you a free basic image. There's no watermark. There's no watermark with this thumbnail that you design. So once you just click on download, you will get your thumbnail perfectly well designed. And this type of thumbnail converts. Once you design it very well, it surely converts. Always see what others are doing. Check that particular search result and see the kind of thumbnail that people have already created. Then you know with them you can combine their ideas together. You can combine their ideas together and put forward your own thumbnail so that it will be catchy and different from what they have already created. So that when somebody view your own thumbnail, it will be different from other people's thumbnail. So don't go and copy other people's thumbnail. You can easily It's very easy to design it. So you don't need any graphic design skill for you to actually create this type of thumbnail. So if you find this particular video useful, please do it to subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends and family. So thanks for watching this video.